Get your juice. What is it?
Chocolate melon.
No, it's not chocolate melon. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Good girl. You like watermelon? Yeah. What's in your hand? Chocolate?
Yeah.
You gonna eat it? Why don't you get out of the fridge? Get out of the fridge. Get out of the fridge.
Come on, put your shoes on. Where's your sandals?
Here.
Come on, you're going bye-byes. You're going bye-byes.
Go and see Nana. Nana's home. Yeah. Yep. We're going to Publix and then Nana's. See Nana, yes. Don't.
You're gonna be grounded.
This thing is for handling refrigerators. She does the same thing at home.
Get out my fridge.
Come on.
You don't like it? It's dark chocolate. What's wrong with it? Put it in the garbage. Come on. Let's put it in the garbage.
Hey, Clint, you stick your shoes on for me. Come here.
Put it in the garbage. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. Get your drink. Where's your drink? Drink some juice, quick.
Over here.
Hold on, Adrian. She's got a crisis here. She's got juice in there.
No, Andrew.
No.
There.
Adrian. She said no, Adrian.
Huh?
She said no, Adrian. Did you tell him no, Adrian? Tell him. All right, you ready to go bye-bye? Say Nana. Say love you. Say love you.